Homemade weed killers are often non-selective, meaning they can harm both weeds and desirable plants. So it's essential to apply them carefully. Here's a popular homemade weed killer recipe. Vinegar-based weed killer. Ingredients: white vinegar, full strength, 5% acetic acid or higher. 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap acts as a surfactant to help the solution stick to the leaves. Optional: 1 cup of table salt or Epsom salt. Makes the solution more potent but can affect soil salinity. Procedure: mix the ingredients in a spray bottle. Shake well until the salt dissolves if you're using salt. Usage: spray the solution directly onto the weeds, ensuring it coats the leaves thoroughly. Apply on a sunny day for best results, as the sun helps to scorch the weeds after they've been sprayed. Make sure to only spray the weeds you want to kill, avoiding desired plants. It may take multiple applications for more stubborn weeds. Caution: the use of salt can increase soil salinity, making it challenging for other plants to grow in the treated area. If you're concerned about affecting the soil, you might want to skip the salt in the recipe. Vinegar and salt can be harmful to beneficial soil organisms. Always test any homemade solution on a small area first to ensure it works as expected and doesn't cause unintended harm. While this solution is effective against young weeds, perennial weeds with established root systems might require several applications or a different approach. Thanks for watching and subscribe.